Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your language in Bing chat. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. And for those people who do not know what Bing chat is similar to ChatGPT. It's basically a AI which was created by Microsoft. I can type anything over here and then search for it. Let me just show you what is Google, and I can just click on this and it'll search the entire web and give me the answer over here. So that's basically what Microsoft Bing is. Alright, so what I can do if I want to change its language is at the top you can see the 3 line. You want to click on 3 line and you can see the settings option. You can click on setting, and from setting you can see where it says language. You can choose language, and over here it's going to give you all these options. If you don't see your language or the preferred language you want, you can click on this arrow and it'll show you the rest. Choose the one which you want by just clicking on it, and then it'll transfer to the language which you want automatically, just like that. It's that simple. So hope I was able to help you guys on how you guys can change your Bing language on your Microsoft chat or Microsoft Bing chat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until next time, if you guys have any question related with Bing, you can ask me in the comment. And yeah, a little short note, you guys can see this over here. If you want to delete your search history on Bing chat, you can just click on this little dustbin icon and it'll be deleted. It's as simple as that. So yeah, hope I was able to help you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and yeah, peace out.